Hello, friends! Today, we're going to Sohra, the most beautiful place in Meghalaya, India, for an exciting excursion. We started our journey early, leaving our school, Khliehriat Higher Secondary School, at 4 a.m. Can you believe it? The air was so fresh, and the excitement was bubbling over as we drove through the quiet roads. After a long but beautiful journey, we finally reached Sohra at 8:30 a.m. Wow, the place was absolutely stunning. We stopped at a small canteen stall for breakfast and took a moment to enjoy the mesmerizing scenery around us. How could anyone not love this view? Along the way, we took breaks to stretch and breathe in the fresh air. It felt amazing. Our first destination was Arwah Cave. What an adventure that was! The cave was so deep and dark, kind of scary but thrilling at the same time. We clicked some fun photos. Deeper inside with our teachers. Can you imagine how exciting it was to explore those hidden corners? Afterward, we climbed up to explore the upper sections of the cave. The view from there? Absolutely worth it. Poor Miss was so tired by then, but she couldn't help but smile at our enthusiasm. What a day it's been so far. After that, we took a break eating our cup noodles while others were playing in the playground. The next stop? Wahrew Arch Bridge. We crossed the river to get to the other side for lunch. And, of course, one of our companions slipped right into the water. Can you believe that? Look at this gorgeous riverside! We all sat down to have lunch with the most delicious food. Then, after the meal, everyone was ready to jump in for a swim. Well, everyone, except me. Some of them were pulling their friends in, laughing and shouting, but I just stayed back, watching all the fun unfold. Some of us got so cold after swimming, we ended up hugging the rocks for warmth. Then, we made our way to the bridge, snapping pictures and videos, soaking in the beauty of the river and its breathtaking surroundings. Our final stop? The Eco Park. We played, laughed, and watched the sunset. It was magical. As the day came to an end, we headed back home, hearts full and minds buzzing with memories of this unforgettable place. We hope you enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's the first place you visited that stayed with you forever?